Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Glue. I hope you're having a great day. So if you've been watching my channel a while, you know that I love creating folios and albums and different things. But my studio shelves are overflowing with projects. So I thought maybe I could give them away to you guys. So I'm going to do 4 projects that have previous tutorials, which I'll link below. And then we're going to do a little random, I guess it's a drawing if you post. So let me go ahead and show you what this particular very first one that we're giving away is, and then I'll tell you how to enter. So, first one is, I think this was my very first paper project, maybe digital paper that I made. And it is a folio with some tags and different things. And like I said, I'm linking the videos below. So if you want to watch how they're made and also get any of the free paper that comes with, some of them have free paper or downloads, you can have that too. But anyway, so this is the first one. The second one, there's 2 of them because I did 2. I think I had one done and then I did another one in the video. But it's just a flip folio, so with a belly band and some pages. And the second one, I think this is the one we made in the video together, or maybe this is the one I showed you. I'm sorry, I don't remember. But anyway, it has a really cute belly band with the envelopes put on it and some tags. So anyway, that's that one. Okay, there we go. Next one, Garden Gate Folio. So this one is very pretty. I added this little bag with a butterfly in here, so that's not part of the free download, but it will be with the gift. But anyway, so it opens up a trifold and it has pockets and tags, and then this one, I love this project. So I had it for free as a download, and then I actually changed it to a price. And then people were commenting, oh, I missed the free. So I made it, it's back to free. So it's free, links below. It's a mini, well, not mini, but it's a passport. And it has 2 options for a cover. So you could either have it like that or as a passport cover. And then each page is a pocket with a pullout in it. And I don't know, the colors are just pretty, and the pages, this is just a really fun project. I'm probably going to be making another one with this same, it won't be a passport, but look, let me just show you. And like I said, you can watch the video and then download this. But when you print your page out, it prints some upside down, and then all you're going to do is fold it, and then you make your passport pages, which is just so fun. Oh, and this one, it has a little mini passport book, which I'll include when I send it out. Anyway, so that's our giveaway for, I'm calling this Sparkle Gift A. So you're going to use that hashtag below. You need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this particular video, and then in the comments, go ahead and comment anything you want, but make sure you include hashtag Sparkle Gift A. And that's what I'm going to use the random selector to look for and pick. 2 things just to keep in mind, a safety warning. I will never ask you to pay for shipping or pay extra money to get this, to add additional items to this. This is a completely free gift. I never use WhatsApp. So if you get some messages like that, and it's so sad that things are this way in the world, but people do a lot of scams, and I don't want us to be part of it. So if anything comes across in your messages or emails, congratulations, you won, just send it. It's not me. Come back to this video and comment below and I'll answer you. If you're not sure what you got. As far as international viewers, you guys, I love you too, and you're welcome to participate. I'm going to give it a try to ship anywhere that will let me. I know maybe there's some restrictions in other places, so I'll do my best. But just know that international, if you win, transit times can take, I guess, anywhere from a week to a month. And also, if there are local custom fees or country dues or anything that you are responsible for, because I don't cover that on my site, I will pay for the shipping. So if you know about those fees for your particular location, you don't want to enter, I understand. But anyway, let's just have fun. This is free, fun, good stuff. And also, nothing's perfect that's coming out to you. It might have extra glue somewhere. Remember, I mean, it's handmade, fun, good stuff. So go ahead and, like I said, make sure you're subscribed, like the channel, and enter our hashtag SparkleGiftA. And the reason I'm doing A as an apple is because I'd like to continue this. Oh, what's important. So this is Sunday, July 5th. This is running till Sunday, July 9th, 2026, midnight. So I'll post that below in the description, so you have that. And then I'll announce the winner in the comments on this video on Friday. Anyway, and then that's where I'll ask you to send me your contact information for shipping, and I'll let you know how I want you to do it. It'll either be through email or maybe a private message, but we'll figure that out together. Anyway, thanks so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate all of you, and I hope that maybe I can just share some of the creations with you guys and you can enjoy them. All right, take care. Have a wonderful day.